Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce my
Yes,
member
good
group.
morning.
Yeah,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
the member group is Yenisri Ayaningsi, Nur Amalia, Aprilia Rahma, and Hilma Zofia. The topic is process paragraph. The reading first is Hilma Zofia.
Okay. Part of process paragraph. 1. Organization, time order signal. 2. Sentence structure, clauses, compact sentence. 3. Review. 4. Waiting segment. Okay, next. 1. Organization. In the process paragraph, you explain how to make or do something. So process paragraph are also called how-to paragraph. To explain how to do something clearly, break the process down into a series of steps and explain each step. The model paragraph explains the process of building a campfire. As you read it, count the number of steps. Also notice the word and process the introduction at step. Artinya, dalam proses paragraf, Anda menjelaskan cara membuat atau melakukan sesuatu. Jadi proses paragraf disebut juga paragraf untuk menjelaskan bagaimana melakukan sesuatu dengan jelas. Proses paragraph. How to build one match campfire. Building a campfire that you can light with one match is simple if you follow that easy step. The first step is to prepare a safe place for your campfire. Clear an area on the ground in the 3 feet wide and put a tray of the stone around it. Second, gather wood. You will need several sizes of fuel, small twigs, medium stick, and large stick. The next step is to build a tent. Put the tent cabin handful of twig in a small pile, and use the small stick to build a small tab over the pile. Leave space light enough to drop a light match trucks. Next, build a cabin to around the tent using the medium stick. 5. Place the piece of wood on the side of the cabin and lay 2 or 3 long sticks on top to make a loose roof. The last step is to like a match drop a spice in the tent. Soon you will enjoy the warmth of a nice fire, and your friends will admire your skin at lighting a campfire with only one match. A process paragraph. Nur Amalia, next. A process paragraph begins with a topic sentence that names the topic and tell the reader to look for process of or procedure. Use words such as step, procedure, direction, suggestion, and introduction. Example 1. You can teach your dog a fit and very short time by following this procedure. 2. Making a pizza easy if you follow the introduction. 3. Follow that step through a phrase correctly. Artinya, sebuah paragraf proses dimulai dengan kalimat topik yang menyebutkan topik dan menceritakan pembaca untuk mencari suatu proses atau prosedur. Gunakan kata-kata seperti langkah, prosedur, arahan, saran, dan contohnya. 1. Anda dapat mengajari anjing Anda untuk mengambil satu dalam waktu yang sangat singkat dengan mengikuti prosedur ini. 2. Membuat pizza itu mudah jika Anda mengikuti petunjuk ini. 3. Ikuti langkah-langkah ini untuk melempar frisbee secara akurat. The supporting sentence are the step and detail about each step. Example 1. When your dog bring back the stick, prime extra gently. 2. The first step is to gather the ingredients you will need. 3. First, grab the egg, the frisbee with all the you finger wrap underneath the edge and the youth along the top. Artinya, kalimat pendukung adalah langkah-langkah langkah-langkah dan rincian tentang setiap langkah. Contohnya, saat anjing Anda mengembalikan tongkatnya, pujilah dia dengan berlebihan. 2, langkah pertama adalah mengumpulkan bahan-bahan yang Anda perlukan. 3, pertama pegang tepi frisbee dengan semua jari Anda terbungkus. Next, the coding sentence can be less step, or it can give the result. Example: 1, at the of the lesson, give your dog next trip for a job well done. 2, now sit down and enjoy your delicious pizza. 3, finally, make sure frisbee stay level while you throw. Artinya, kalimat penutup bisa menjadi langkah terakhir atau bisa memberikan hasil. Contoh, 1, di akhir pelajaran, berikan anjing Anda hadiah yang bagus untuk pekerjaan yang dilakukannya dengan baik. 2, sekarang duduk dan menikmati pizza lezat Anda. 3, terakhir, pastikan frisbee tetap datar saat Anda melempar. Time order. In the process paragraph, you round the step in the order by time and use time order signal to guide your reader from step to step. Artinya, urutan waktu dalam paragraf proses, Anda mengatur langkah-langkah dalam urutan waktu dan menggunakan urutan waktu sinyal untuk memandu pembaca Anda dari langkah ke langkah. Next, Yeni.
Time order signal. First, second, etc. Then no comma, no comma. Next, finally, after that. For others, 2, the first step, no comma. The next step, no comma. The final step, no comma. 3, after 5 minutes. 4, after you take a pizza out the oven. Example for time order signal. 1, first, preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the pizza sauce. 2, the next step is to mix the pizza dough. 3, after 5 minutes, check the pizza. 4, after you take the pizza out of the oven. Jadi di sini ada contohnya, contoh tentang pembuatan pizza dari step pertama sampai step yang terakhir. Lalu, 2, sentence structure. Nur Amalia, next. Sentence structure. Di sini ada contoh dari clause and complex sentences. Yang judulnya How to Give the Cat a Pill. 1, giving a pill to cat is process to requires creativity and determination. 2, the first step is to pick the cat up and hold in your left arm like a baby. 3, with your left thumb and forefinger to gently squeeze the its cheeks open. 4, as soon as the cat opens its mouth, put in the pill. 5, allow the cat to close in mouth and swallow. 6, next, retrieve 3 the pill from the floor and the cat from behind the sofa. 7, the second step is to repeat the first step. 8, this time, however, hold and it's the washing machine. Hold its mouth closed while you count to 10. 9, then retrieve the pill from the goldfish bowl and the cat from behind the washing machine. 10, the third step is to call a neighbor for help. When the neighbor arrives, ask him to hold its body firmly between his knees and its head between his hands. Then force open its mouth with a wooden stick and push in the pill. After that, retrieve the cat from the curtain rod. Make a knot to repair the curtains and bandage your neighbor's hands. Now get a new pill for a final. A knot to repair the curtains and then a final attempt. Tie and it's your paws for together with strong rope and tie the cat securely to the leg of the dining table. After you put on heavy duty gloves, hide the pill in large of a piece of fish. Put into its mouth and pour in a quart of water to wash it all down. And your way home from the emergency room, where the doctor sewed up your bleeding out. Order a new dining table and call the CPCN to come get the cut. Next, clauses. A clauses is a group of words that contains at least one subject and one verb. Contoh dari clause, Anna left the party early, because she was tired. 3, they are 2 kinds of clause in English, independent and dependent. An independent clause can be sentence by itself. Independent clause is another for simple sentences. Independent clause, contoh dari independent clause itu, Anna left the party early. and hold its mode closed. A dependent clause, in contrast, cannot be sentences by itself because its meaning is not complete. A dependent clause depends on something else to complete its meaning. Dependent clause. Example, she was tired, or while you count to 10. Next, complex sentences. A complex a sentence is combination of one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. Example, for independent clause-nya, Anna left the party early. Dependent clause-nya, because she was tired. Independent clause lagi, hold the is mode clause. Dependent-nya, while you count to 10. Lalu, comma rule. In a complex sentences, when the dependent clause comes first, separate the clause with a comma. When the independent clause come first, do not separate them. Example, because she was tired, Anna left the party early. Yang kedua, Anna left the party early because she was tired. Yang ketiga, because she had free time during last holiday, she rearranged her house. A dependent clause always begins with a subordinating word or subordinator. There are different kinds of subordinator. Time subordinator begins a clause that tells when something happens. Reason subordinator begins a clause that tells why something happened. Next, subordinators. Time subordinators. After. Example-nya, he goes to school after he finished work. Contohnya, several overcrowd bruises past as we were waiting. As soon as, contohnya, she felt better as soon as she looked to the medicine. Before, contohnya, you apply to college, you have to take a entrance exam. Since it has been a year since I left home. Until, we cannot leave the room until everyone has finished the test. When you start college, you sometimes have to take a placement test. Whenever I don't sleep well, I feel sick the next day. While several overcrowd uses fast while they were waiting, reason subordinators because Jack excels at sports because he trains hard. House case, wherever a baby animal follows its mother wherever she goes. Notice that S can be either a time subordinator or a reason subordinator. The next is Nur Amaria.
Complex sentence. Find and underline the complex sentence with time clause in the model. Paragraph. How to give the cat a pill. B. Identify the parts of the following complex sentence. Step 1. Underline independent clauses with a solid line and dependent clause with a broken line. Step 2. Circle the subordinators. Step 3. Add a comma if necessary. Note. Two sentences have two dependent clause. Jadi kalimat kompleks. A. Temukan dan garis bawahi 3 kalimat kompleks dengan klausa waktu dalam model paragraf. Cara memberi kucing pil. B. Identifikasi bagian-bagian dari kalimat kompleks berikut. Langkah 1. Garis bawahi klausa independen dengan garis solid dan klausa dependen dengan garis putus-putus. Langkah 2. Lingkari bawahan. Langkah 3. Tambahkan koma jika perlu. Catatan, 2 kalimat memiliki 2 klausa dependen. 1. Whenever astronauts leave Earth's atmosphere, they experience weightlessness. 2. Astronauts often feel seasick when they first experience weightlessness. 3. Astronauts must exercise on special machines while they are orbiting Earth in their spacecraft. 4. The student will silent as the teacher hands out the test. 5. The student work on the test problem until the teacher told them to stop. Jadi next, C. Combine an independent clause from column A with a dependent clause from column B to make a complex sentence, then write the sentence on a separate piece of paper in order as a paragraph. Punctuate each sentence. count easily. D. Write the complex sentence of your own. Use a different subordinator in each sentence. Write 3 sentences with the dependent clause first and 3 sentences with the independent clause first. Work with a partner on this exercise. Jadi, C. Gabungkan klausa independen dari kolom A dengan A. Klausa tergantung dari kolom B untuk membuat kalimat kompleks. Kemudian tulis kalimat aktif selembar kertas terpisah dalam urutan sebagai paragraf. Tandai setiap kalimat secara bersamaan. D. Tulis 6 kalimat kompleks Anda sendiri. Gunakan yang berbeda bawahan di setiap kalimat. Tulis 3 kalimat dengan klausa dependen terlebih dahulu dan 3 kalimat dengan klausa bebas terlebih dahulu. Bekerjalah dengan pasangan dalam latihan ini. Writing a segment. Choose one of the topic from practice 1 on page 19.6 and write a paragraph. Follow the step in the writing process. Step 1. Pre-write to get ideas. Step 2. Organize the ideas. Put the step into time order by making a list of the step or by making an outline of the step. Step 3. Write a rough draft. Write rough draft at the top of your paper. Jadi, tugas menulis. Pilih salah satu topik dari latihan 1 di halaman 96 dan tulis A. Gugus kalimat mengikuti langkah-langkah dalam proses menulis. Langkah 1. Kita tulis untuk mendapatkan ide. Langkah 2. Atur ide-ide. Masukkan langkah-langkah ke dalam urutan waktu dengan membuat daftar langkah-langkah atau dengan membuat garis besar langkah-langkah. Langkah 3. Tulis draft kasar. Tulis di bagian kertas atas kertas. The next, Aprilia Rahmah.
Yes. Yeah. Use time order to organize your paragraph. Use time order word and clause signals and time clause and punctuate them correctly. Pay attention to your sentence structure with simple, compound, and complex sentence. Step 4. Polish the rough draft. Extend paper with a classmate and ask him or her to check your rough draft using for editing worksheet on page. Then discuss the complete worksheet and decide what changes you should make later a second draft. Use editing worksheet to check your second draft for grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Step 5. Write a final copy. Hand in your rough draft, your second draft, your final copy, and the page containing the 2 editing worksheets. Your teacher may also ask you to hand in your pre-writing paper. Try using humor to read about some of these topics. How to find out a marriage partner, how to propose marriage, how to lose 10 pounds in 2 days, how to grow a houseplant, how to kill a houseplant, how to drive a teacher crazy, describe a wedding or other important ceremony, explain the step in the educational system where you live. These are the important points covered in this chapter. 1. In a process paragraph, you explain how to do or make something. Begin with a topic sentence that names the process indicates a series of steps. Organize the step in order by time and use time order style and time clause to guide your reader from step to step. 2. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. There are 2 kinds of clause, independent and dependent. An independent clause can be sentenced by itself. An independent clause is another name for simple sentence. A dependent clause begins with a subordinator and cannot be a sentence by itself. 3 are subordinators that show time reason of flats. Complex sentence is one independent and that rests on dependent clause. For the comma rule for complex sentence with time clauses in as follows. When a dependent clause comes before an independent clause, separate the clause with a comma. When an independent clause before a dependent clause. Do not separate them with a comma. The following extras will help your review important skill awareness in prior. Jadi poin penting yang dibahas dalam bab ini, satu, dalam paragraf proses Anda menjelaskan bagaimana melakukan atau membuat sesuatu. Seperti mulailah dengan kalimat topik yang menyebutkan proses dan menunjukkan rangkaian langkah. Atur langkah-langkah dalam urutan waktu dan gunakan sinyal urutan waktu dan waktu. Clause ini memandu pembaca Anda dari langkah ke langkah. Yang kedua, klausa adalah sekelompok kata dengan subjek dan kata kerja ada dua macam, dari klausa independen dan dependen. Klausa independen adalah nama lain dari kalimat sederhana. Klausa dependen dimulai dengan subordinator dan tidak boleh berupa kalimat dengan sendirinya. 3. Ada bawahannya yang menunjukkan waktu, alasan, dan tempat. 4. Kalimat kompleks adalah suatu klausa independen dan setidaknya satu klausa dependen. Selengkapnya tentang teks sumber ini diperlukan teks. Selanjutnya, aturan koma untuk kalimat kompleks dengan klausa waktu adalah sebagai berikut. 1. Ketika klausa dependen muncul sebelum klausa independen, pisahkan klausa dengan koma. Ketika klausa independen muncul sebelum klausa dependen, jangan pisahkan dengan koma. Yes, Miss. Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Oke, sudah. Oke, the next. Kenapa signalnya trouble?
Finish, ma'am.
Oh, finish. Oke. Oke, who is maybe question? Siapa yang mau ingin bertanya? Silakan. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Paragraf proses. Jadi bagaimana proses membuat paragraf? Oke, silakan. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Kalau tidak ada yang tanyakan, cukup, enough. Ada? Maybe question? Halo, kok pada diam? Yang tanya nih. Silakan. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Kalau ada, silakan. Kalau nggak ada, bilang. Nggak ada, mem, gitu. Jangan didiemin, mem Rohimanya. Halo?
Mungkin cukup, ma'am. Nggak ada yang ingin bertanya sepertinya.
Nah. Oke, ya sudah, ada jawaban cukup ya. Oke. Thank you for your attention. Say together, alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.